I'm the cat with a cup and a cake on the top of my hat.
I don't think so. Oh god. Alright, we're back to Universal. Alright, we're here.
Do I like this? Oh no, I do not.
No, I do.
Oh, here comes.
Thing one and thing two.
How they move. That is not how they move. That's terrifying.
No, not in the house.
So the fish in the pot?
They should not fly kites in a house. They should not.
Then what should they do? Then what should they do? That's the real question. So old, you can't even know the password.
I do not like the way that they play. His mother will see this. Oh, what did she say?
Oh, this is unconventional. This is unconventional.
I get those goosebumps every time.
How was this a kid's right again?
Your mother is near. So as fast as you can, think of something to do. You will have to get rid of things.
He's not even somersaulting. No, man.
Please remain seated, keeping your hands and feet inside the couch at all times.
Oh dear, you did not like our game. What a shame. What a shame.
Or two, baby.
It's Haunted Mansion all over again.
Oh wait, they're moving.
Have no fear of this mess.
Said the cat in the hat.
I'll pick up this mess.
Then our mother came in and said to us to.
Did you have any fun? Tell me, what did you do?
Should we tell her about it? No, what should we do? Well, what would you do if your mother asked you?
There was a 6-foot cat that walked into the sneak out room.